Hello children. In previous video I have explained definition of direct and indirect speech, and I have told you that when we transform direct speech into indirect speech, then we change the following things like reported verb, inverted commas, tense, pronouns and adverbs. Now I am going to explain it deeply. Rules. The inverted commas of direct speech are removed in indirect speech. Which inverted commas we use in direct speech, we removed it into indirect speech. Means we don't use inverted commas in indirect speech. The comma after the reporting verb is removed. The comma after the reporting verb is removed in indirect speech. Students, in previous video I have explained you direct speech is divided into two parts. We can say reported verb and reported speech. Then the commas that we use after reporting verb is removed in indirect speech. The conjunction that is used to join the reported verb to the rest of the sentence. We use conjunction that. Change of reporting verb. Change of reporting verb. If it's given said to in reporting verb or reported speech, then we change it into told. Said we change into said. Say to change into tell, and says to change into tells. Okay, if all these are given in reported verb, then we change according to this. Example: they said to Anuj, "You are a brave boy." Students, this part is known as the reported verb and this part is known as reported speech. And said to is the reported verb. As I have told you, reported verb said to will change to told. Okay. Then they told Anuj. In the place of said to, we will write told. They told to Anuj that commas and inverted commas we will not use. We will use conjunction that. That they told Anuj that he was a brave boy. Okay. These are the changes of reported verb. Next one is change of pronoun. Students, when we change direct speech into indirect speech, then we change the pronoun of reported speech. How we will change? Let's see. First person pronoun will change according to the subject. Student, firstly you have to know what is the first person, second person and third person pronoun. When I have explained pronoun chapter, then I have explained it deeply. If you don't know, then please watch those videos of pronouns. Okay, then first person pronoun will change according to the subject, second person pronoun will change according to the object, and third person pronoun no change. We don't change third person pronoun. Students, first person pronoun change as per the subject of the reporting verb. As per the subject of the reporting verb. Reporting verb means this part. Second person pronoun change as per the object of the reporting verb, according to the object of the reporting verb. And third person pronouns don't change at all. Which pronoun is known as the first person? I and we. You is known as the second person, and like he, she, it, they, all these are known as third person pronoun, etc. All these are known as third person pronoun. The which pronoun we form from I and we, like me, our, is also known as the first person pronoun, and like you, yours is known as the second person, and third person like he, him, she, her, they, them, these are known as the third person pronoun. Then they will change according to the first person will change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person pronoun change as per the object of the reporting verb, and third person pronoun don't change at all. It will remain same. Let's see some example. He said, "I am late." As I've told you, reported speech pronoun will change according to the First pronoun will change according to the reported verb subject pronoun. I is the subject pronoun. Okay, first person, I is the first person pronoun. Then he said, I am late. Then he said that, we will write that conjunction. I will change according to the subject. And what is the subject? Subject is he. Then we will write here he, that he was. Here it is used as a subject pronoun. So we will write the subject. It is used subject. Then we will write subject pronoun. Then he was late. She said to me, you have always encouraged me. Students, as you can see, you is a pronoun and you is a second person pronoun. Okay, as I've told you, second person pronoun will change according to the object of the reported verb. Then this is the subject, verb and object. Me is the object. Okay, then you will change according to object of reported verb. What we will write? She told me that. You will change when according to object me, then it will change into I. Why? Because here I is used as a subject. Okay, we can't write here me because here it is used as object pronoun, but here I is used as a subject. Then we will write subject pronoun I. We will change according to object, then it will be changed into I. That I had always encouraged her. He said, she is a nice girl. As you can see, she is the third person pronoun. And as I have told you, third person pronoun will not change. It will not change at all. Then he said, there should be that. He said that she, it will remain same, that she was a nice girl. Okay. These are the changes of pronoun, students. Please listen carefully and try to understand. First person pronoun will change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person pronoun will change according to the object of the reporting verb. And third person pronoun will not change. These are the changes of pronoun when we change direct into indirect speech. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is not changed. Student, when the reporting verb, as I've told you, this part is known as the reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, if it is in the present or in future tense, the tense of the verb in reported speech, means this part reported speech is not changed. We will not change the tense of the reported speech if the reported verb is in the present or future tense. Let's example. He says, I was ready. As you can see, it's here given. Says, this is the reported verb and it is written here says, and it is in the present tense. As I've told you, if this reported verb is in present tense or in the future tense, the tense of the reported speech will not change. He says, I was ready. It means we will make the changes, we will make all the changes, but we will not change the tense only. He says that I will change according to the subject. Then we will write here he was. As you can see, tense has not changed. Was ready. According to the subject, there is written was. He was ready. The tense has not changed. Why? Because the reported verb is in the present tense. Okay, please listen again and try to understand, student. When the reported verb is in the present or future tense, then we don't change tense of the reported speech. As you can see here in the example, we will make all the changes, like we will write that conjunction, that we will change pronoun, we do not use inverted comma, only we don't change tense. Okay, I hope students till here you have understood the change of reporting verb, change of pronoun, and we don't change the tense of present and future tense reporting verb is if given there. If reporting verb is in the present or future tense is given there, then we don't change the tense of the reported speech. Thank you students, and in next video I will explain change of tenses. I hope till here you all have understood. Thank you.